Okay, so this is me trying to save the baby bird. Those are the mommy and daddy birds, and they are going crazy with worry. Flying around everywhere and giving off alarms. Afraid I'm going to hurt their baby. There's the nest. Hello, babies. And right down here is the baby bird. He hopped over. So I'm going to try to get him. Come here, baby. I know. I know. This is baby bird. Hello, baby. I'm going to put you up. Okay, I'm going up the ladder. Here's the nest. And here goes baby bird in the nest. Go, go, go. Go in the nest. Baby bird is now on top of the nest with his brothers and sisters. And mommy and daddy bird are still going crazy. I wore surgical gloves, so hopefully they won't reject him. Baby bird.